Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare TurboTax and H&R Block. TurboTax and H&R Block are two popular tax preparation services. TurboTax is a user-friendly tax preparation software with step-by-step guidance. It offers a variety of plans for different tax situations, including free options for simple fillings. The software provides accurate consultations and maximum deductions, ensuring you get the best refund. However, its pricing can be higher than some competitors, especially for more complex fillings. Meanwhile, H&R Block offers reliable tax preparation services, with options for in-person or online filling. The platform is user-friendly and provides clear instructions, making it ideal for beginners. Their customer support is highly rated, with access to expert assistance. However, their pricing can be higher compared to some competitors. In my opinion, TurboTax is more intuitive, while H&R Block offers better in-person support and value. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.